Good morning, everybody. I had this pleasant surprise on my doorstep. It's Sunday morning. Just got back from church, walked out, saw a box sitting there. Here it's this Vestibular First 3D printed model. So cool. I won this through their journal club, which gives great information. They haven't asked me to do this, but I just want to say thank you. It's so fun to kind of sit here and allow my imagination to wander as we see these little Otoconia, possibly the way they move through these tubes and how we get to put them back regularly for people to get rid of their dizziness. You know, it's just fascinating to me. I have been doing this for 22 years, and it's fascinating to me that the inner ear still moves our eyes unconsciously when we move our heads. It's reflexive. We don't have to think about it. It's our image stabilizer. It is just amazing. And you know, this looks so big. Here I'm holding this in my hand, but we can put 4 of these on the end of our thumbnail, and they go right behind our temporal bone. It's just crazy. So hey, thanks Vestibular First. Keep dreaming, exploring, and discovering.